Is BT safe? Right? Should we use it as a preventative, or do we just wait until we see the caterpillar? And this is Lindsay right here from Cordova. So what do you think? Is it safe?
Well, BT is safe.
BT is safe.
But why waste the chemical when you don't see anything? That's what, the caterpillars are fairly easy to see, or even if they are chewing on the leaves, or if they're, like bagworms and you can see them moving around on the plants.
Yeah.
They're fairly easy to see, so when you start to have a problem with them, then you spray with the BT. I don't know if I would do it as a preventative. I mean, you can, but it's kind of a waste of Bacillus Thuringiensis.
Yeah.
I mean, I would wait personally till I saw something before I would spray.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
That's what most people are going to do anyway.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And if you grow tomatoes, you're not going to see the hornworm anyway.
No, you're not. You're going to see the damage.
To start off with, you'll see the damage
you
first.
see the damage, but those little boogers will hide.
Yeah, they definitely will. But yeah, BT is safe.
Mm-hmm. BT is safe.
Totally
it's definitely safe. Yeah, you can of course get BT, big box stores, nurseries, and things like that. But it is a safe product. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.